Abujafo, edi nti na Asante Kotoko supporters omo stadium emehwe games no. First, ni asi Kotoko enwini games. Itina amanfo entama stadium. Eniya eniyama ekuyema Asante Kotoko no so a supporters no so omo mehwebo game no. Last Sunday, uhwe baba yara supporters in the stadium no na encouraging kra. We are supporters in our stadium one as a division 3 been an able match. Na Kotoko ye feel say ye winning matches eto so far about 6 matches ye lose game. Ya bo draw back. Jacking na ya winning. A day na AC Asante Kotoko supporters kwan. Say on stadium abehe match. Na all the time no you say defeat so Kotoko winning match. Kotoko winning match. After the win so baso so a ye defeat say yankop stadium enko support team no. Ye betena fi na ye TV. Ana ye hene ye phone so. Ko stadium ko he match say be Kotoko so benya sika. O so la wo si Kotoko mpanifo player bi esore na se wo bono homoden a na mpanifo aton sa player no ko. Na mpanifo aton sa player no ko. Na on ko stadium enko he match no ema Kotoko mpanifo enya sika no eya omo betue players nika anase bia omo betumi di assign players no se in case on players ni tena eya on cost stadium enko he match no o percent penifo ni di ni tue players nika anase omo sane on fee no e di no percent penifo ni edi tua motivate some on cost stadiums is option kasa de ni sika ababe wuram eya o ye team no do feel say yanko stadium anko he match e be open so edi manya sika e dey abotim no ho bra na ho be hia say because so onya sika ho motim no bra dia e be hia ho be hia say si players no obi ba ho nko de dia wo so otimi ton players no se be ya obetim nya sika da abotim no bra se o tifie na so onko stadium anko he match Kotoko matches e ma Kotoko enya sika na emfaso be na wo so e be sere e umu se mini ubuto but kakra be wotim na ko stadium akohe ama Kotoko so nya sika no ehun se de NS ni Kotoko edi no enya papa enye but yanfa bia nto akiri ne mo de se ibetimi enya sika de ama Kotoko and no that is the only way get process ibetimi dia bo Kotoko Fabrice na no sen ekro na ne ampon some time omo de visual seat challenge by eno sen ekro any system ni enti ubako akohe match na Kotoko enye sika ya bona ho ba ya bona ho bra no utifie na bia paso Kotoko win on win so a onko stadium utifie o ye dan Sunday bia na so tumi duru baba yara se ye bo home kwada so tumi duru na ko hebi na Kotoko so nya kakra enano Sunday na me ro aho o yes ni pa wa stadium it wasn't encouraging na nya fair. And same fata Kotoko in division 4 division 3 and na ebo match no Kotoko eya wasenka supporters ni di twi adi boom ekoho no enye yentrane enko stadium nyenko he matches se be timo bo Kotoko ne makoye de maye me de masisi mo team mahwe shalom peace bye bye.